was shaking, falling to pieces, talking in circles just to keep upright. My son has seen this 2 times before. One last goodbye and when he was born. Count me down from 10, 'cause I don't wanna feel myself getting older. Talk me off the ledge. How it was, it will never be again. Young September, like it was last year, swimming in shallows of the southern shore. I have been wanted 2 times before.